Franklin County, Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Minerva Park, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Worthington, Minerva Park, Easton, Whitehall, New Albany, Riverlea, Port Columbus Airport, Clintonville, and Huber Ridge. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 114 and 121.